Now we are going to discuss the NCERT problem on solution. It is the fourth problem in the NCERT batch exercise. It is given, the question is, concentrated nitric acid used in laboratory work is 68% nitric acid by aqueous solution. What should be the molarity of such a sample of the acid if the density of the solution is 1.504 gram per ml? I am repeating the question. We have given that it is a 68% nitric acid aqueous solution and we need to find out the molarity of such sample when the density of solution is also given, that is 1.504 gram per ml. Now we need to find out the molarity in this case, and the given is 68% by mass nitric acid solution and the density of the solution is 1.504 gram per ml. We need to find out the molarity. Molarity is mole of solute by volume of solution. We need to find out the molarity, which is mole of solute by the volume of the solution. Firstly, we will calculate the mole. Now, how we will calculate the mole of the solute? This is given to us. Mass of solution is 100 gram and mass of solute would be 68 gram. We have given that it is a 68% nitric acid. It means 68 gram of the nitric acid is present in the 100 gram of solution. Our solute is the nitric acid, which is 68 gram. So how we will convert it into the mole? Mole is given mass by the molar mass. And molar mass of the nitric acid, if we know the atomic mass of HNO and formula for the nitric acid is HNO3. So we can find out the mole of the solute. This is the mole of the solute. And the nitric acid is HNO3. So we can find out the molar mass of it. H is 1, N 14, O 16. So mole of solute comes out to be 68 by 63. It is 1.079 mole. So we have calculated the mole. Now our second aim is to find out the volume of solution, because we need to find out the molarity, which is N by V. So this is the N. Now we are going to calculate the volume. Volume can be calculated with the help of the density of solution. Density is mass by volume. Now mass of solution is 100 gram because we have given the 68%. Mass of solution is 100 gram and density of solution is 1.504 gram per ml. So volume of solution would be 100 by 1.504, that is 66.5 ml. We have mass. Now we need to find out the volume. So volume will come out to be 66.5 ml. But in molarity, we should take the volume in the units of liters. So by dividing by the 1000 factor, now we can have volume to be 0.0665 liter. Now by placing the value in molarity, that is N by V, number of moles we have already calculated, it is 1.079 moles of the solute, that is nitric acid, and volume of solution is 0.0665, so molarity will come out to be 16.23 mole per liter.